Hello everyone, I'm Chef Cookie and this is North Carolina A&T's Try Healthy program. Today we will be making a healthy version of one of my favorites, French toast. And today we have a lovely crew here with us. So we are going to go over a few of the ingredients. Whole wheat light bread, we have eggs, skim milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla flavor. Wow, and we're gonna mix all of this together to make yummy but healthy French toast. All right, let's start out with the eggs.
Wow.
Add our milk, okay? So we're gonna have 200 milliliters of skim milk. All right, yay! And Miss Chloe, would you come around here? And we're gonna get you to pour the vanilla in for me. And would you be so kind to add the cinnamon for me? Thank you. And nutmeg. Do you guys smell that? Does it smell good? So we're gonna incorporate all of our ingredients. See that? So you have your milk and your eggs, vanilla, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Now what we wanna do is we wanna take some of the oranges and we're gonna mix that juice in here. Does that sound good? And pour that in there for me. Hold on one second. We have some more oranges. We have to get some zest. And what that is the fresh peel. And we're gonna give it a little scrub right here and get some of that goodness in there. And now you can whip it up for me. We're gonna add, and this is optional, but we're gonna add nuts, and this gives us extra protein and extra power, okay? So we're going to smash these with a rolling pin, or if you don't have a rolling pin, we can use a can. Will you give that a good smack for me? Good job. We are gonna take our bread, we're gonna dip it in here, then we're gonna coat it in our nut mixture. Sound good? Okay. Spread this out on here. So watch me do this. So we're gonna coat each side of our healthy wheat bread. Then we're gonna, it's all wet. All that goodness is soaking inside of our bread. And then we're going to coat it with our nuts just like that. Can you help me do that? All right, we are actually going to cook our French toast, and instead of syrup, guess what we're gonna make? Blueberry compote. You like blueberries? Yeah. So I am just gonna add a bit of olive oil so my butter won't burn. So while this is cooking, we're gonna make our blueberry compote instead of syrup.
I wanna lie.
You wanna lie? We gotta save it for, wait. We have to save it. They're so yummy, I know. We're gonna take our blueberries. So this is 1 cup, okay? Add that. Ooh, sizzle. And 2 cups. So we're gonna add approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. So we have our blueberries in our water, and now we're gonna have some lemon juice that we're gonna add. Would you like to squeeze some of that in there for me, Miss Chloe? And I'll tell you when to stop. And this is approximately a teaspoon, and if you need help, I will do it. Ready? Girl power together. 1, 2, 3. There we go. It got us, didn't it? And now, sugar. So just a little bit of sugar, not a lot. It smells lemony. Stir it up together. Okay, well, let's stop right here. Now, we're going to turn this down and let this cook all the way through for about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? So let's go check on our French toast. Look it. It's getting golden brown. You see that? Are you guys ready to try some of the yummy, healthy French toast?
Yeah.
Okay. Now there's the toast. We're not gonna try it yet, because guess what? We have our blueberry and our what? Strawberries. You ready for this goodness?
Yeah. It looks like it's peanut butter jelly.
It does. Will you take the strawberries and let's sprinkle them on top? Look it. Who's gonna do the honors and top it with the blueberries?
I want to.
Ready? Wanna try it? Let's get in there. You ready? Go ahead, go for it. Yep. Get in there. Like it? Like it a lot? You wanna try yours? You want me to help you with yours? Got it? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got a thumbs up. You did that. You did a good job. Good job. Healthy French toast does not have to be bland and not fun. It can be yummy and tasty, right? Good job. Give yourself a hand. Yummy.